Welcome to my Division on the Abacus English short video episode number 10, and these are our questions for today. Okay, for this episode, let's start. This is my marked rod and I'm going to place my dividend on the abacus from this rod 1008. Okay, so let's start to divide. You don't need to watch here. So divisor, the 6 and dividend on the abacus. Start from the highest place. 1 divided by 6 is not possible. You have to take 2 dividends at once. 1, 0, 10. 10 divided by 6, your answer is 1. Okay. 6, 1 is 6. You have to reduce 6 from the dividend. This one is 10. So reduce 10, add 4. You reduced 6 from the dividend. So take one more dividend here. 4 and 0, 40. 40 divided by 6, your answer is 6. 6 are 30. And reduce 6 from here. Reduce 10 and add 4 is 6. Okay. And go to next another digit. This 8. 4, 8, 48. Divide by 6. Your answer is 8. 6 8s are 48. Okay. Dividends are finished. And now you have your answer 1, 6 and 8. This is your answer. How to take place, how to place your dividend on the abacus, how to place your answer on the abacus, and how to choose or how to point your dividend on the abacus. For all these questions, you have to watch my full explained video of basic rules of division on the abacus. Please check my playlist or check my description box. Episodes are in 4 different languages: Nepali, English, Hindi, Japanese. Okay, and please do not comment on my English language. Let's go to another question. Replace or reset your abacus. 1, 0, 8 and 4. This is our dividend. And divide by 4. Divisor is 4. So let's start from the 1 very highest place. 1 divided by 4 is not possible. That's why we are going to take 2 dividend. 1, 0, 10. Divide by 4. Your answer is 2. Okay. 4 2s are 8. You have to reduce 8 from this 10. So reduce 10 first and add 2. We reduced 8 from the dividend. And take one more digit from here. 2 and 8, 28. Divide by 4. 7 times. 4 7s are 28. Okay. Take 4. 4 divided by 4, your answer is 1. 4 1 is 4. Okay, dividend finished. These are our answer. 2, 7 and 1. How is going on? If you have any questions, any comments, please comment me or directly message to me through the Facebook Messenger. Please follow my Facebook page, okay? And next episode, next techniques. See you then. Ta-ta.